Hi guys, welcome back to Audrey's Artistries. I'm here to show you how a quick and easy way to deep cleanse those brushes. This is definitely not the way we want to do them. So it's very important that we make sure our water is warm. You don't want it too hot because you are using this water and you're touching it, and so you don't want to burn your hands. Here we're using an exfoliation mat, brush cleaning mat. I got this one cheap off of Amazon. I'm gonna have the link below. And then next, I'm going to use this white Zoot soap. I also ordered this off of Amazon. You can also find it in your local Walmart by the laundry detergent section. So this soap is A1, guys. Like, ever since I discovered it, I've been using it on all of my brushes and beauty blenders. So I halfway open it to keep it in the packaging because I don't want it fumbling and slipping everywhere. So after wetting the soap, I get my brush. This is one of my face complexion brushes from Real Techniques. And now I'm going to really make sure I get that brush, the tip of the brush, which is the bristles. I get that wet along with the soap, and then I'm going to ensure that I lather the bristles of the brush up very well. You do not want to get the water down into your brush because you can rust your brushes out, especially if you have those cute little metal brushes. So you want to make sure you really focus that water and that soap on the actual bristles of the brushes. And here I'm just really making sure I'm scrubbing the bristles up against this as brush cleaning pad. I'm using each area of the brush cleaning pad to ensure that I am cleaning every part of that brush. And voila, we have a clean brush, guys. No makeup found. So you really want to make sure you get that soap out as good as possible, and also have a towel next on standby to clean off the brush. Now this is just an up close and personal look. I wanted to show you guys how I'm cleaning it on the pad. So each part of the pad has its own like cleaning area. So you have like a straight and down, and you have a swivel. So you want to really make sure you're cleaning that brush and getting all of that makeup out of it. You do not want any makeup left behind in your brushes because, ladies, that would create bacteria. And here I'm making sure all of that soap is out of my brushes and it's clean. You want to clean your brushes until the water is clear. No more makeup is coming off that brush. So now I'm going to show you guys how I group up my smaller brushes. So I get brushes that are similar or alike, so cut down on time. And as you can tell, I'm really focused on keeping my brushes in a downward area kind of position to make sure I'm not getting that soap in the middle position like I told you, because it can rust out your brushes. And you want to keep your brushes for a long time. And so when I group these blender brushes together from the crayon case, just really going in each area, scrubbing, swiveling, and then I'm going to take that water and I'm pushing the water through the bristles and also trying to get as much of it out of the bristles as well. So they're clean. Now it's time to grab the beauty blenders. So the key to cleaning your beauty blenders, these guys hold the most bacteria. The most. So it's very important that you are cleaning these beauty blenders. But you want to make sure you really get them wet and soften them up. And then you want to lather them with soap on each area of the beauty blender. So twist it around. You want each side of the beauty blender to have soap coating. Now once you get the beauty blender fully coated, you want to push the makeup out of the beauty blender. So you'll see me, once I get the soap all infused into the beauty blender, I'm pushing areas I know that makeup is coming out of. It's very difficult to clean beauty blenders because you can't really see the makeup that has soaked into the sponge. So I usually clean my beauty blenders like 2-3 times to really ensure that I have got each area covered and all of that soap is out of my beauty blenders. You do not want any bacteria because bacteria equals breakouts, and that's just nasty. You don't want to see the things that grow inside of these things. And my water is a little bit hotter when I clean my beauty blenders. Now we're doing our final rinse, and now you can tell we have zero dirty makeup coming out of our beauty blender. So that's what we're looking for. Clear water is always good. And here's the final result, guys. We have our newly fresh clean brushes and the ones that have dried. Spray a little alcohol on them and you're ready to use them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.